Where am I now?
Your new home?
And why do I have to do what you say?
I'm the dream keeper. I own the dream factory. I watch over all the dreams you humans have, and you stole yours, Henry, didn't you? And now you want a second chance.
You know what? I'm over this. That's it. I've had enough. I'll be dead. I'm fine with that. I'll be dead.
If you leave this house, Scarlet can get you. Scarlet Alarm.
The dream thief.
You need to focus on your new family.
Why don't you take control and try and fix your family?
I don't know what's going on between you two. Whatever it is, you better stop, or else you're fired.
What? Why am I not me?
But you are you.
But I'm him.
Yes, yes,
Why
you
am I him
are.
and me? You can do whatever you want to me.
Anything?
Do your worst.
That explains the bruised ribs and why I just peed blood.
I'm not the bad guy here, Henry.
Alarm, you betrayed me.
And my name is Mayhem, Professor Dougal T. Mayhem!